How to reset mobile network settings on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on General Management. Now after that, we go down and then tap on Reset. In here, go down, then go to the Reset section and tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. And then tap on Reset Settings. Next, we put in the screen pin or password and tap on Continue. And once you are ready, just tap on the Reset button. And say here, are you sure you want to reset your mobile network settings? This can't be undone depending on your network's required settings. You might not be able to connect to your mobile network anymore. So once you are ready, just tap on the Reset button. And that's it. After, you can tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.